Hi, I am Cecil May Gonoon Talan, 29 years of age. I graduated at Southern Baptist College here in Lang, North Cotabato. I am 4 years course. My course is Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. In my skills, I work hard. I love cooking, wash dishes, clean the house, and also I loved taking good care of child because I'm the one who taking good care of my nephew here. Please give me a chance to work with your company, ma'am, and to enhance my skills in working at home. Um, I grabbed this opportunity to more develop my skills and work hard. I love child. Thank you so much. God bless.